The Oppo Reno 14 come with its sleek and futuristic design. The Reno 14 is available in elegant finishes like wave green and rock grey, offering a subtle sheen that changes with light. The build quality is premium. You get a glass front and back with an aluminum alloy frame. It's slim at just 7.9mm with flat edges, rounded corners, and tactile buttons all contribute to an excellent in-hand feel. Moving to the front, the Oppo Reno 14 fitted with a stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED display. It supports a full HD plus resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels and delivers vibrant colors with deep blacks. This display supports a 120Hz refresh rate, making animations and scrolling feel incredibly smooth. The panel supports HDR10+, enhancing color contrast and brightness for a cinematic experience. The Reno 14 packs a MediaTek Dimensity 1200 Plus chipset built on a 6nm process. This octa-core processor offers a solid balance between power efficiency and raw performance. Coupled with the Mali G78MC for GPU, this device can handle heavy multitasking and high-end gaming with ease. You get memory configurations of 12GB and 16GB RAM, and storage options up to 1TB. The Oppo Reno 14 runs on Android 15 with the latest version of ColorOS 16. The Oppo Reno 14 sports a triple rear camera setup, a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS and f1.8 aperture, a 32-megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, a 20-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a 112-degree field of view. The Reno 14 captures crisp and detailed images. Dynamic range is excellent, and the colors are well saturated without looking over-processed. The AI optimization smartly adjusts scenes for the best results. The telephoto lens allows for impressive portrait shots with natural depth of field and accurate edge detection. The ultra-wide camera captures a wide field of view with minimal distortion. For selfies, you get a 50-megapixel front-facing camera that supports 4K video. Selfies are rich in detail, and the portrait mode does a good job with background separation. The Reno 14 supports 4K video of 30 frames per second from both front and rear cameras. It also has EIS and OIS, ensuring footage remains stable even when you're moving. Video quality: it's sharp with excellent color rendering and minimal frame drops. Powering the device is a robust 5300 mAh battery. As the efficient Dimensity 1200 Plus and AMOLED screen, battery life is excellent, and when you need a recharge, the 66-watt audio, biometrics, and connectivity. For connectivity, the Reno 14 supports 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, with the Dimensity 9200 Plus, advanced cooling systems, and GPU acceleration. Fast 66-watt charging. The Oppo Reno 14 is more than just a typical mid-ranger. It brings premium features like a 50-megapixel camera, AMOLED display, flagship-level chipset, and blazing fast charging into an affordable and stylish package.